Good morning everyone. Today we're showing you how to log into Oliver for the Department of Education website. Google New South Wales Department of Education. When that comes up, click on the link, and over on the right hand side it says log in, go to student portal. On this page you will need to know your student's login name and the password is 2020. It comes up with the conditions of use that you need to read with your child and then press I agree. Once you've logged into the student portal, you log in to, you can see Oliver Library on the left hand side. Click on Oliver Library. This takes you to our Cobar Public School homepage, but we're logged in as your student. This gives you a brief Oliver tour and shows you where all of the important bits are. Just watch the tour. Showing you where the home button is. This is the basket where you can put books. That's your student's name. That's the search bar where you can search for books. This is where we can search other places. And that's the guided tour button. Now we're going to end the tour. So today, this is the library news. In the middle we've got information about Earl Dabrowski, and on the right hand side we've got useful websites. So if you wanted a book at home, say I wanted a book about cows. So we've searched for cows. The red cross means the books are unavailable. A green tick means it is. To decide that I want this one, I can go to the left hand side and say add to basket. Then I can go back to the previous page. I can scroll down and I can choose another book. The red worm there tells me that it's a Premier's Reading Challenge book. I'm going to add that to my basket too. Go back to the previous page and I'm going back over to the right hand side. I'm going to press reserve. Ask me if I'm sure, press reserve. Those books are now reserved for your child. Mrs. Whiteman will be checking the reservations every day, and it's how you can reserve books and they can be packed up for your child and sent home. Thank you for watching.